Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone has enough battery and you can access settings. Once done, register a backup method, PIN, password, or biometric, so you won't be locked out. Now open settings and go straight to security, screen lock, or face ID and passcode depending on platform. Choose the screen lock category you prefer. This first choice determines later options. Make sure to read any on-screen explanations about data protection before you proceed to the next step. Now you configure the lock itself. Pick pattern, numeric PIN 4 or 6 digits, or an alphanumeric password for stronger protection. Once selected, follow prompts to enter and confirm your code and enroll any biometric data. Take multiple scans for reliability. Next, set auto-lock timing and whether notifications appear on the locked screen. If available, review Smart Lock or Trust Agent options and disable anything that reduces security. Make sure to save changes and finish by locking the screen and testing every unlock method you registered, PIN, password, fingerprint, face, to confirm they work. Make sure Find My Device or Find My iPhone is enabled and linked to your account and recovery email so you can unlock or erase remotely if needed. Finally, confirm notification privacy settings and back up your device. If things go wrong, use account recovery procedures first. Only perform a factory reset if you cannot recover access, because that will erase local data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.